artists who participate in this record, and the quality of painting is really amazing. I officially announced that Golden Book of World Records of longest painting has been achieved by Triple ID and Vibrant Goa Foundation.
FTR is our own acronym, first time right. तू जर कदेल केलें तें बाबा कदेल 50 वर्सां 100 वर्सां 200 वर्सां उरपा जाय ताजी रेलेवन्स उरपा जाय पण तुमी जेन्ना टक टक करून कार्पेट घालता तें घालता ती मागीर चेंज करपाची पण तसलें करनाका ही म्हजी मेसेज. अरे 20 वर्सां पयलीं ताणें म्हणजे घर बांदिल्ल्या बरेंच आसा तेन्ना समाधान जेन्ना जाता न्ही नंतर 20, 30, 40 वर्सांनी खऱ्याचा तो मनीसभाव.
Very much.
So this is the recognition that the client must give you. Not when he pays you your fees. He may reluctantly or happily or gladly pay your fees. But subsequently, when years and decades pass, he says, he gave me what has made me. Long time ago, I dealt with Charles Correa. Till his last moment, I was in conversation with him. He used to say, man builds a house, but then the house builds the man. Same thing in Jefferson's constitution, it said, men make laws, laws make men. हे सगळे कायदे करतले आनी हे करतले ते उलटी आता तुकाच खावपाक म्हणून मागीर जेन्ना समाधान जाता आफ्टर many years, decades, that's the ultimate satisfaction. Not your fees, not how many projects you are doing, but even a few projects that you do it well, sometimes say, no, I don't think I should be doing this. I will not do justice to it. So this is my message.